Hello everybody, I'm here at Lviv Volunteer Kitchen with Taggart. And what we're hearing in the background are, what are the air raid sirens?
This is an air raid siren, yep.
And I'm being told that it is okay to continue to peel potatoes.
Yes, it's okay to continue. It's very unlikely that anything is going to happen in Lviv, although we have to exercise some minimal level of caution for sure.
So just proving and showing that this is real and supporting Ukraine. That's what we got to do. We stand with Ukraine, and I trust that we are in good hands here in Lviv, and safety is number one.
Absolutely. Slava Ukraini.
Slava Ukraini.
Героям
Slava.
слава.